keto desserts on this episode.
Today's episode, I have our keto dessert pickup from our Giant Food pickup. Special thank you to Giant Food for sponsoring today's video. Do make sure you get your discount code down below if you live in one of the areas that Giant Food services. I absolutely love their grocery pickup and their food delivery. Let's dive into all of the goodies that I have. If you are wanting some keto cookies, some keto pies, some keto chocolate, something keto sweet, this is totally the episode for you. Okay, let's dive in. So I'm so excited. The first thing that we have and that I love for one of my favorite is extremely fresh produce. Giant Foods has the most amazing raspberries. Those berries, if you get berries like blackberries, raspberries are the lowest carb count as opposed to like blueberries. Blueberries are the highest carb count. So I did get, they were having a deal for organic strawberries. It was buy one, get one free. So I ended up getting 2 of them in addition to getting the raspberry package for our keto desserts. Now I bought a ton of keto desserts today. That's for this video. I wouldn't normally buy this much for like a weekly serving of it, but having lost 70 pounds, I do like to feel quote normal. Although normal is a dishwasher setting, that is not a real thing. But I wanted to show you guys some of the items that we got that I also wanted to try that I haven't tried for keto sweet treats. So I did get the Lily's dark chocolate. That is one, they're so good, no sugar added. They are literally for Lily's. It's 3 net carbs for 60 chips. It is one of my favorites, but here's what. They have the dark chocolate baking chips, and then I also got the semi-sweet baking chips so I can make keto chocolate chip cookies. I know, keto chocolate chip cookies. I'm so excited. And then of course I did get the almond flour to go with it to make my keto chocolate chip cookies as well. That's another great choice if you were looking for something to you can use almond flour and coconut flour for that matter, but the almond flour is literally 2 tablespoons is 1 net carb. I make my keto pizza out of that. There's so many different things you can make with that. Okay, next, there was a sale going on for Lily's bars of chocolate. So this is not something, again, I would have every day, of course, in moderation. But this one has for the Lily's bar, it's the almond dark chocolate, 55% cocoa. I always mispronounce, is it cacao? Cacao. Anyways, it's one of these sweet treats for keto dessert. That would be great. Now, this is the keto sugar. It's literally, it says keto sugar. So I have not tried this. It says it's new. It's an alternative. We're going to try it and see, as opposed to some of the other keto sweeteners we have. So it's the erythritol. I can never pronounce that properly. I always feel like I'm saying a lady part. That's not what I'm trying to say. Erythritol. It's the keto sugar. That was one of the items I purchased. And then they also had on sale my favorite, again, is Lily's. I was looking for the Lily's white chocolate. This is not it. This is milk chocolate chips, which are still really good, but it's not white chocolate chip, which I'm obsessed with. Obsessed with white chocolate. I did also get another one of the Lily's dark chocolate almond bars. That was another part of my keto desserts. And they had, I got 3 more awesome things to show you. I'm saving the best for last. These things, they're from Duncan Hines. I don't know if it's good marketing or not. I don't know. I haven't had them yet, but I wanted to buy them and see. It's birthday cake. It's literally a keto mug cake. It says 5 net carbs, 9 grams of protein, Duncan Hines. It's keto in one of these things. I'm going to just briefly look. It has almond flour, coconut flour, dried egg whites, palm oil. That's not so good. In terms of carbs, 33 carbs minus 5 grams of fiber. And you can strip track out the alcohol sugars, but I don't really do that. So it's really, this whole thing is 28 net carbs or 33 carbs. I'm not quite sure how they got 5 net carbs. Excellent marketing on their part because I bought it. So go Duncan Hines. I do love pink, obviously my favorite color. So I got that one to try. I feel like it's better though than, to be honest, like, it's better than having a sleeve of a certain type of cookie and snarfing those down. And then here is the keto-friendly Duncan Hines double chocolate chip cake. This one also, again, has 34 carbs with 28 net carbs. Again, not something I'm having every day. In fact, this is like 2 months worth of sweets for me. That's not an entire, like I just don't, I'm not a huge sweet person. I like carbs, not necessarily sweets. So this to me, it would be like used sparingly, but I'm curious, and several viewers have said that they have tried these things. So I wanted to try and see. Now, I did also add in here into my Giant pickup order, Stonyfield Greek yogurt. It is whole milk. Some people freak out over this, so this wouldn't be a keto thing. It would be a low carb thing because it's whole milk. But 3/4 cup of it is 7 carbs. I do like having whole milk Greek yogurt that's plain. Just double checking the sugars in it. It has 5 grams of sugar. This is something I use completely sparingly with it, but I do like to mix in with this some hemp seeds with this, with the raspberries. I mean, don't shoot the messenger for the deliciousness. It's really, really good. It's really, really good. So this is one of my keto desserts I really do actually enjoy quite a bit, but it is few and far between. I am tempted though to make my keto cookies tonight. I'm not going to. I'm doing intermittent fasting right now. I'm on a 36-hour fast, so I'm going to keep trucking along, but Giant Food it was awesome, by the way. It was so simple to do the pickup. It was very cold, if you guys saw in the beginning thing. It was very cold, very windy. The lady at Giant Foods was so nice. Put it in my trunk of my car, had a mask on. I felt extremely safe. It was a great way to do a keto grocery haul and get my keto desserts. And now I have keto cookies, keto brownies, keto chocolate. Like I have all of the things if I need them. And then this is the Lily's bars too. The fact that they were on sale, the price point on this was phenomenal. Phenomenal. So I did want to share that with you guys too. If you want to get your discount code for your own Giant pickup, I do have that down below with all the stipulations of how to do that. It's really, really simple. I have shopped at Giant Food since I was like 3 years old. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button. Do make sure you click subscribe and check out Giant Foods down below. A special thank you to Giant Foods for sponsoring today's video, and keto on, friends.
If you found this video helpful, do make sure you click like, follow, and go get your discount from Giant Foods down in the description link below.